Hello, my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And in this video I got some happy mail. I got my mystery yarn package for Mystery Yarn Challenge, which is now for January 2024. But before I get into that, first of all, the Mystery Yarn Challenge is hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. For January of 2024, she is changing things up from the months before. So you either have the option of doing how it was, whereas like I wish I did, I sent out yarn, and now I received yarn, and I gotta make a project with the yarn I received. That was how it was traditionally done, but now she had switched it up, where you can work on one of your whips, which was what I was seriously considering doing, because I have a whip that's well over 6 months old now, and I was going to do that, but I changed my mind. So you can work on a whip and send out yarn but not receive yarn. Or you can not send yarn and receive yarn. Or just work on a whip. But anyway, I decided to do it traditionally. But before I get into that, try not to get distracted, I did get some more Christmas cards for also the Christmas card exchange, which is also hosted by Lori. And speaking of Lori, I got hers today. All right, cover those up. Cover. But it's got the cute little, oh, I didn't even see this one. Merry Christmas one on the back. Look at that. It's cute. She made an ornament. That's cool. And it looks like it's really simple. Just some double crochets and some pretty fancy yarn. That's kind of cool. I may have to consider that for next Christmas. Just get some pretty fancy yarn and make these flat ornaments. And the card. Merry Christmas. And let's see if she wrote anything in here. Oh, which is the card is thinking warm thoughts of you and wishing you joy at this wonderful time of year. And it says Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and that is from Lori. And the other one, okay, just put the last name on there on the card. Merry Christmas on the back. Oh, the three wise men. It says, aloha. May you have the most wonderful, yarny, happy holidays. Happy New Year. Let's see, did this come from Hawaii? No, it's from Junction City. Yeah, like I said, I know that. And I can't think. The last name is just only Conaway. I know who she is, but I can't think who she is. But oh yeah, I got that Christmas card. I don't know how. I haven't been keeping track. I suppose I go down and count how many cards I got. I don't know if any more are yet coming in the mail. But anyway, in the description will be everybody that's participated in the Christmas card exchange and have YouTube channels will be in the description. So anyway, that was it for Christmas card. It's time to go why I'm here, and that is for my yarn I received for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. Okay, put this away. And there it is. Actually, this is from Lisa at Happy Hook Creations. She had my name. I know in the past she had my name before, and in the past I've had her name before, but I haven't. This time around I sent it to somebody else. I can't remember who it was. It's in my email. I don't remember who I sent it to, but anyway, this is from Lisa. So let's see what we got. Oh, let's put the bag. All right. card. Oh, 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 oh! And stickers fall out of the card. Okay, I'm trying not to lose these stickers here. The stars were made to worship. Okay, if the stars were made to worship, so will I. That's that sticker. Lose these stickers. Faith makes all things possible is the other sticker. And oh, be the light. I have to see what that one is. Alright, and a card. Says, Julie, I hope you enjoy the yarn choices. Can't wait to see what you make. And it's Lisa from Happy Hook Creations. So, let's see what we got here. First one is the yarn. It's a Hobby Lobby yarn. It is Yarn Bead Dazzling. Look at that for a minute. Okay, yeah, that is. Okay, so this yarn is. I'm trying to find all the stuff on this yarn. It is 3.5 ounces, or 249 yards. So yeah, this is a Hobby Lobby yarn, so they don't list any grams or meters. Let's see my color. Sunburst. It's very nice. Oh, another Yarn Bee one. Sweet Divinity, and the color looks like it's red clay. That is also 3.5 ounces, or 243 yards. And also, alright, not sure what this, I'm gonna, it feels like that this is also a Yarn Bee Sweet Divinity. This is Cobalt. Again, also 3.5 ounces. And I don't know what color that is, other than it's a gold yellow. There you go. There you are. That is what I got for our yarn this week. Remember to, okay, just in case I forget to send a picture, so I will hold it for a minute. Thumbnail. Maybe a thumbnail. But for sure, I know Lori likes to get a picture of what we all got. So let's see, what I'm going to make with this. I had a thought, but I am not sure if I'm going to go that route. Because this feels like this is all very soft. And this could potentially be a shawl. Yeah, I like these colors. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Might make a shawl or a scarf. Ooh, maybe. Well, I don't know. We will figure it out later. So just want to get on here, show you what I got for the Mystery Yarn Challenge. So you have to stay tuned and see what I make with it. If you did like this video, please get a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.